What do you mean? What do you mean? आपका मतलब क्या है? Where is your office? Where is your office? आपका दफ्तर कहाँ है? Get ready to go. Get ready to go. जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. What is happening here? What is happening here? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मेरे नज़र से दूर हो जाओ. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? आप किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हो? Everyone is fine. Everyone is fine. सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. सब ठीक है. I did not understand. I did not understand. मैं नहीं समझा. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. वो बहुत ज़हीन है. He doesn't like tea. He doesn't like tea. वो चाय पसंद नहीं करता है. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? क्या मैं आपसे कोई बात पूछ सकता हूँ? Come quickly. Come quickly. Come fast. जल्दी आओ. What do you want from me? What do you want from him? तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? He is still not well. He is still not well. वह भी ठीक नहीं है. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ गए हो? Your expectations are too high. आपके तवक्कात बहुत बुलंद है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Your expectations are too high. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. They both like each other. They both like each other. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you later. मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करूँगा. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. You are in my responsibility. You are in my responsibility. तुम मेरी जिम्मेदारी में हो. This is not fair. This is not fair. ये जायज़ नहीं है. What is going on? What is going on? क्या हो रहा है? Come inside. Come inside. अंदर आ जाओ. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. आहिस्ता चलो. Bend down. Bend down. नीचे झुको. Forget it. Forget it. इसे भूल जाओ. Go outside. Go outside. बाहर चलो, बाहर जाओ. Follow me back. Follow me back. वापस मेरे पीछे आओ. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. गौर से सुनो. Forgive me. Forgive me. मुझे माफ़ करो. Be careful. Be careful. एहतियात करे, मोहतात रहे. Don't scream. Don't scream. चीखो मत. Scream चीखे मरना. Don't whisper. कानाफूसी मत करना. मत करो. कान में कहना. Don't whisper. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. अपने आप का ख्याल रखें. We did it. We did it. ये हमने किया. We did it. He is in anger. He is in anger. वो गुस्से में है. Don't be very formal. ज़्यादा तकल्लुफ़ मत करो, तकल्लुफ़ मत करो. Thank you for watching. Please like